Hey y'all, today we're going to be taking apart this Milwaukee 6.5-inch circular saw. It has a problem with electronics and we're going to open it up and fix it. So we already got the parts in. So first thing you got to do is take off the handle, one screw, just take that off. Take out all the other screws and then we'll open it up. We'll open it up and see what's going on. Yeah, we got her open. Just be careful of this spring here. So when you're trying to pull it open, push this in so the spring don't pop. We're going to be having to remove that anyway, but you don't want to lose it. Here's the problem. See it? Broken chip there. That comes with this switch assembly, and this all comes in one piece. Okay? So we're going to be changing that, and we're going to be changing the brushes. Yeah, the brushes run up to the switch. They're new to me, these long wired brushes. Anyway, it's no big deal. Just wire it up to the switch. And we'll just be careful what we do. You can see where the wires go here. You got the red in the back, the black in the front. Same with the brushes, so we should be good. Should be good. Same with the brushes. Red to red, black to black. Brushes into the motor. New circuit board. Yeah, let's get started. Alright, so we'll have to start taking these things out so we can put our new ones in. So the first thing is this. Should pop right out. That's out. This should pop right out also. And then the switch. We just got to be careful where the wires go. Alright. Okay, we see how this red wire had gotten fused to the screw here. See it? It was melted underneath. So I'm going to put tape on that after I put it back together. You see the black brush wire goes there with the black wire from the circuit board. The red wire from the plug goes here. The red brush goes on the bottom there, and the red wire from the circuit board goes on the bottom. So red and black are from the circuit board. One red from the plug goes here, and you can see where the brushes go. Alright, so I'm going to rip this stuff out and get it going. Right, now you can see, since I have all the components, I put it all together on the switch here. New brush wires, new switch wires, new circuit board wire. Everything's set. I can rip out the old and just put this back in, and that should be good to go. Let's do that, and I'll come back, get the brushes out. Just got to pry on them a little bit on the holder. It should pop right out. Don't go crazy. A little bit at a time. There we go. Don't lose the spring. So we got to hold the holder here and the spring. Don't lose it. The brush will come right out. Now these brushes aren't necessarily bad, but they're halfway worn out. And since we're in here anyway, we're changing the brushes. All right, let's get this other side out. A little more. Until it pops. Sorry about that. And there goes my spring. Told you not to lose it, right? Well, we lost it. Oh, found it. Right there. Okay. Alright, now we're going to start getting the components in, the new components. Since we got all the old ones out. That was the old. This is the old. So you see the broken chip. Now we're going to start putting in the new. I guess we can start anywhere on this. Get the switch up here so we can get it out of the way. Now we're going to get the circuit board in and the that plug in. Get the plug in first. Be fine. You have to grab some of these wires down in there first. Alright. Let me pause here so I could do this with 2 hands, and I'll be right back. Alright, we got it all back together. Be very careful about where you're putting your wire. Make sure they're all routed the right way. See? Now on this brush it says positive. So I put it to the red wire here up top. Hopefully that's the right way. If not, we'll have to swap these brushes out. Make sure all your wires are routed right. Hopefully you're right. We're going to find out in a minute. Make sure everything is tucked in. Tuck it in. Brush wire. Like I said, the positive brush wire I put to the red. The negative I put to the black. Put your things back in. They're just held in by friction. And now we're going to put the top back on. See if we have any luck with that. Alright? So the main thing you gotta watch when you put it back on is this thing here. Get that in the hole, and you're halfway there. So let's try that. So I'm gonna put this on here. So now I'm gonna wiggle this in. First thing. Right? And then from there, should be home free if nothing's in the way. Alright? So let me pause it right here. And then we'll check it out. See if that's going down just right. I'm just going to put my screws back in and give it a test. Alright? I said I put those screws in, but it's getting nice and shut. Alright, so I was wrong about the brushes. My saw is spinning backwards, so I got to take it back apart and change the brushes, switch sides, and we'll see how that goes.